go back now. Still I pull the rope that keeps me hanging to the right. Load the cartridge and toss the pin. I'm clinging on to this life.